Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International. Welcome back to our craziness, to our study of CZERNY Op.299, 299. This is the CZERNY. This would be number 2. This video is going to be a really short one because this one, number 2, the etude number 2, it's exactly the same thing that it was for number 1. Okay, so please check, you will have it in the description below. Check that one, number 1, and apply exactly the same thing on the number 2. It's this one. Hold on. Very shortly, but please, it's detailed explained in the CZERNY number 1. So again, start with practicing Hanon number 33 and 34 and 35. This is all about going over and under the thumb on the right and on the left hand. So I would strongly recommend those exercises like that. You can start slowly. With repeating 1, 2 times or 3 times or 4 times the first count, you know, for more practice exercise on over number 1, and then it's number 4. We want to create like a freeway of a scale, like, right? We don't want to be like that. That it's a bumpy road, it's a country road, unpaved, in which you cannot go with a Ferrari and race the scale, right? So it's gotta be perfect even in the sound, and definitely to the going over and under number 3. Hopefully my camera. Okay, once it is nicely, perfectly done, even slow and medium slow, you know, you can attach some kind of rhythm that I explained in detail in number 1. Or over here that needs to be a little bit practice. Everybody's having a little problem on this one. So here it's all about you practicing the left hand and definitely the fingering. Pay attention on this fingering. So you have a... And then this scale, you're gonna start it with the 4. So do practice that one. And then you have this part that is definitely for the left hand a little challenge, this one. So what I'm doing, I'm giving a little accent on the number 5, that it will keep everything more together, right? Like that. On the number 1. Again, you can practice your rhythms, but I'm gonna tell you again, if it's not perfect, even this, if you don't have it at this speed, don't even touch the rhythms, please, because it's gonna get worse, okay? So make sure that your hand is relaxed. So definitely check with your teacher if that would be recommended. So, you know, pay attention because it's tricky. Speed is always tricky. I'm giving you some tips, but if those tools, you're using it on the wrong, section or on the wrong timing, it will get worse. It will get worse. So pay attention though. But if you are self-taught and you would like to improve, again, you need to have it in this speed before you get into rhythms. So you must have it like that. And then little by little you can add. Probably you will play like that. But that's okay, you know. And then little by little you will create that dotted note longer, and then the short note that would be a 32 will be like a kind of double dotted note. It will be very short. Nothing else to say. So as I said, this is a very short one. Do use your tips, your articulation. Don't forget to articulate. Okay, so more speed you have, less articulation. If you go slow, you see I do lift my fingers a little higher. That would be this speed. Then less, more speed you have, less articulation is gonna be. Almost at all. You know? But when you practice, do articulate to get more strength in your fingers. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm trying to be as short as possible to not keep it long. But even though those are short videos, don't get fooled by the shortness. It takes a while to achieve speed. It can take a few months, maybe years. I don't know. Depends all on you, how much and how well you practice and how much guidance you do have. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments below. I would like to hear back from you. And again, don't forget, if you like it, like this video and share and subscribe, obviously. Thank you so much for helping growing this channel to reach more people and more people. Thank you. Have a great day. See you in the number 3 arpeggios.